Longitude. The equator is used as the line of reference for locating places in the north and south directions. So, we need another line or point as reference for locating places in the east and west directions. So, we can draw a set of lines joining the north pole and the south pole. So these lines are called meridians or longitude. Longitude or imaginary lines running from the north pole to the south pole. So these are called meridians, meridians of longitude. All of the imaginary lines which run from the north pole to south pole are called meridians of longitudes. So these are marked as degrees, and all these longitudes are equal in length. Prime meridian. It is marked as 0° longitude. Just like a 0° equator, the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. The imaginary line that separates east and west, it is the prime meridian. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich in England. Greenwich is a place few kilometers east of London in UK as the starting point for the meridian. So here the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Equator versus prime meridian. Equator is a line circling the earth midway between the north and south. Prime meridian is a line that runs through Greenwich, England. Equator is marked as 0° latitude. Prime meridian is marked as 0° longitude. Equator divides the earth into southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Prime meridian divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Grid. What is meant by grid? Latitudes and longitudes crisscross each other to form a network of lines. Crossing of lines, latitudes and longitudes on the globe forms a network of lines. So that is called grid. With the help of this grid, we can locate places on earth easily. Longitude and time. So the movement of the earth, the moon, the planets are the best means to measure the time. The local time is denoted by the sunset and sunrise. When the shadow caused by the sun is shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian at Greenwich has the sun at the highest point, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. The places which are east to Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, while the places to its west will be behind it because the earth rotates from west to east. Standard meridians. So there are 24 standard meridians. They are all 15 degrees apart. So the first standard meridian is the prime meridian, which is marked as 0°. And the time does not change at the standard meridians. The standard meridian is the middle of the time zone. Time zones extended 7.5° on each side of the standard meridian. Standard time. The local time of places on different meridians are different. Therefore, it will be difficult to prepare timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. For example, there will be a difference of about 1 hour 45 minutes in the local time of Dwarka, it is in Gujarat, and Dibrugarh in Assam. Therefore, it is necessary to adapt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. Geographical extent of our country. So India is situated between 97 degrees east and 67 degrees east longitudes. Between these longitudes, our country India is situated. There are around 30 longitudes. It takes 4 minutes to cross each longitude. So it will result in 2 hours time difference between both the ends of our country. So why do we have a standard time? In India, 82.5 degrees east longitude is treated as the standard meridian and taken as the standard time for the entire country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. So India is located at 82.5 degrees east of Greenwich, means 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. If it is 7:30 p.m. in India, it will be 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. noon in London. So here, why 82.5 degrees east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of India? 82.5 degrees east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of India because it is situated in the center of all longitudes and latitudes in which our country India is located. It passes through Allahabad, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So in some countries which have a great geographical extent, they adopted more than one standard time. In Russia, there are 11 standard time zones. Canada has 6 time zones and USA, United States of America, has 4 time zones. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. So each covers 15 degrees of longitude. Thank you.